All right. Welcome again to I Am Sure Sports. This is Manning's Man. Wow, what a CPL final we had. Just concluded few minutes ago, but very exciting game. Some good cricket, some wise cricket, and one of the youngsters came through at the end of it. And if you have not watched the game, please make sure you catch the replay. Very good game. It came down to the last ball of the game to determine who the eventual champions would be. And the champions for the first time are the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots. Captain of that team is Dwayne Bravo. They have the likes of Chris Gale and Evan Lewis and Fabian Allen. But it was Dominic Drakes who stole the show at the end. What a game. I feel so bad for the St. Lucia Kings because if you remember, early in the preliminary stages, Dwayne Bravo called them the St. Lucia Queens. And they vowed that they would meet them in the final. The St. Lucia Kings said, we want to meet them in the final and beat them because Darren Sammy is their motivator. And as you know, Darren Sammy has won 2 T20 World Championships as the captain of the West Indies team. So they got to the finals a second year in a row and they lost, people. Can you believe it? I cannot believe it. I was touting them to win, but they got defeated. So let me tell you what happened. But before I get into that, please hit the subscribe button if you have not yet. My cricketing people, listen, you can't let the football people and the track and field people outdo you. My cricket fans, you have to subscribe and share the video. Hit the like button. All right, so let me give you the details of the game. All right, because like I said, very interesting game. The St. Lucia Kings, they batted first. Andre Fletcher made 11 runs of 7 deliveries. He was caught. Cottrell bowled Ahmed. Then you have Raheem Cornwall who opened. He made 43 runs of 32 deliveries with 5 fours and 2 sixes. He was bowled by Fabian Allen. Dial, the young Trinidadian, he had a very good semi-finals. Didn't do so well. He only made 1 run. Caught Rutherford bowled Drakes. And then Rolston Chase, who probably will be the man of the tournament, he made 43 of 40 deliveries, 4 fours, 2 sixes. He was bowled by Shaw. David Weezer, he made 2 from 6 deliveries. And Timothy David, he made 10 from 10, bowled by Ahmed. And Kemo Paul, with a superb knock of 39 of 21 deliveries, 5 sixes. He was caught by Carter Bolshaw, and Waib Riaz, he was not out on 2. And when you look at the bowling for the St. Kitts and the Nevis Patriots, you had Sheldon Cottrell, only bowled 1 over, 12 runs, no wicket. Fabian Allen had 4 over, 17 runs, 1 wicket. Ahmed Faid Ahmed, he bowled 4 overs, conceded 32 runs, took 2 wicket. Naeem Shah bowled 4 overs, 26 runs, 2 wicket. Dominic Drakes, 3 overs, 38 runs, 1 wicket. And Jagasar bowled 4 overs, 34 runs, and 1 wicket. So the St. Lucia Kings made a 159 runs, setting up a target of 160 for the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots, who had a very poor start. Chris Gale was bowled, facing 4 deliveries for the big old 0, bringing into question his selection into the West Indies T20 team. Yep. Evan Lewis also had a poor start. He was caught, chased, and bowled Riaz for only 6. Joshua De Silva, the wicket keeper for the West Indies, getting a chance to bat, did well enough. He made 37 of 32, kind of kept the middle order together. All right. Shefford, Rutherford made 25 of 22. He was caught and bowled by Joseph. And then the captain, DJ Bravo, only managed 8. he was caught by Chemo Paul, Bull David Wiese. All right, or Wise, however you pronounce it. Don't beat me for the pronunciation. All right, Dominic Drakes, man. I think Rolston Chase played well, but because Dominic Drakes was because if the St. Lucia Kings had won, I would have said Rolston Chase needed to be the man of the match. But given what Dominic Drakes did, he is the man of the match. He made 48, my selection, 48 of 24 deliveries, 3 4s and 3 6s. Fabian Allen made 20 of 18 deliveries. He was caught Paul Bode Riaz. Sheldon Cottrell was unwisely, let me say that, run out. Right? So that's really what happened. But that final over by Keswick Williams, I think they should have given that over to Alzari Joseph because Keswick Williams has not been bowling well. And I think that led to the St. Lucia Kings losing, the team that I am sure Sports had selected to win. But I am still sure that if Alzari Joseph had bowled that last over, then St. Lucia Kings would have won. Also, Fau Du Plesis, their best batsman, did not play. So I think they did well enough. This was a very exciting finals. I mean, if it is not the best CPL final in the history of the CPL, it's right up there at the top. Intense all the way to the final delivery. It was one ball, one delivery. The scores were tied. And Keswick Williams overpitched. Allowed Dominic Drakes to score a single. Man should have gone wide outside the off stump with the full toss and let it go to the wicket keeper. Bring in the field. Brethren, you gave it away. You gave it away. But good CPL finals. I think this gave the people a lift in the midst of the pandemic. I know the St. Kitts and the Nevis Patriots, they had the home support. But listen, one of the big things I want to do is to thank the groundsmen. People, all the games were played at the same venue. And all the pitches that they used held up all the way to the finals. Wickets were taken. Runs were scored. I mean, the outfield was pristine for the entire tournament. So big up all the groundsmen. All the groundsmen, tremendous work. Dominic Drakes, as a youngster, he showed his class. He is one for the future. I think somehow he has gone above Chemo Paul. He has gone above Alzari Joseph in terms of their T20 form. We need to see him now in the one-day team and in the test team to see what he can do. Good young cricketer. As you know, his father, Vasper Drakes, was a bowling all-rounder for the West Indies teams in the 90s and in the early 2000s. So well done, Dominic Drakes. Well done, St. Kitts and the Nevis Patriots getting their first hold on the CPL title. I mean, Chris Gale winning again because Chris Gale won with the Talawas. He has won here. Bravo. Everywhere he goes, it seems like the title goes with him. He leaves Trinidad, the title leaves Trinidad, and it comes over to the St. Kitts and the Nevis Patriots. Congratulations again. Well done. You bust my bet because I am sure Sports had selected the St. Lucia Kings. But great game, and it was a great time for the CPL. Some of these guys, they go off to the IPL right now to get ready for the IPL, and the others are going to keep themselves in shape for the T20 World Cup. I have little hopes because of the team selection. I am sure Sports is not sure that the team that has been put together is the best team for the West Indies. I think coming out of this CPL, there are at least 3 players that should have been in it. Let me give you them. Odean Smith, Romario Shepherd, and Stafford, that's his name, Stafford, Rutherford. Those three. The left-handed batsman and the two bowlers. Two play for the Guyana Amazon Warriors and one plays for the St. Kitts and the Nevis Patriots. But good game, congratulations. Come on, put your hands together, people. Put your hands together for the St. Kitts and the Nevis Patriots. Very, very, very good performance. And they have won the CPL for the first time. Again, thank you. Thank you, one and all. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Share the video. Let people know about our content. Cricketing fans, you have to come on board and support the work so we can put out more good cricketing content for you. Listen, stay safe. Have a blessed day. I am sure sports is here to stay. I am Manning's man. And again, thank you for tuning in. And thank you for watching.